morning, students. Our next concept is general term of a binomial expansion x plus a to the power n. Okay, that means in the expansion of x plus a to the power n, we are finding general term. Okay, or simply you can say that general term of a binomial expansion. Okay, in the expansion of x plus a to the power n, r plus 1th term is called general term of the expansion x plus a to the power n. Okay, in any expansion in the form x plus a to the power n, r plus 1th term is called general term of the expansion and is denoted by tr plus 1. Tr plus 1 is nothing but r plus 1th term. Here t represents term, or you can say that general term of the binomial expansion, and is given by, okay, formula is tr plus 1 is equal to ncr into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. We know, right? In a binomial expansion, suffix of c must be equal to power of the second term. That's why to remember the formula, it's a to remember the formula. So tr plus 1 is equal to ncr into first term to the power n minus r into second terms to the power r. Okay, here see, suppose if you want to find fourth term, okay, question is find the fourth term in any expansion. Okay, our formula see tr plus 1. How to get fourth term? Then t in place of r you need to substitute 3, right? 3 plus 1 equal to t4. Okay, therefore remember, whenever question is find t5 or t6 or tn, r value is 1 less than the required value. Suppose see, find 20th term. Okay, then r value is 1 less than the required term. R value equal to 19. Why? Because the 20th term, that means t20 you need to calculate. Okay, general term is in the form tr plus 1. Okay, that is equal to t. What is the, to get t20, what's the value of r? R value must be 19, right? 19 plus 1, that time only you will get t20. Suppose you are substituting r equal to 20 itself, then see t20 plus 1, you will get t21. But question is 20th term, right? So whenever this type of question is asked, r value is 1 less than the required value. For example, see, find the value of t 30th term. Okay, t 30th term you need to calculate. Then what's the value of r? 30th term you need to calculate. R value is 1 less than the required value. Then r value equal to 29. Why? tr plus 1 equal to, you need to get t30. This implies t in place of r, what you have to substitute? You need to substitute 29. Then only you will get t30, right? Because see, r plus 1 is there. So t29 plus 1. Therefore, remember, question is find the nth term, then r value is equal to n minus 1. Okay, r value is always 1 less than the required value. Okay, now using this formula, solve some problems. See the question, find the 7th term in the expansion of x cube minus 1 by x to the power 9. Okay, consider the question x cube minus 1 by x to the power 9. Okay, in this what is x value? X value equal to x cube. A value equal to, see, minus is there, right? Second term, a value equal to minus 1 by x. Index n value equal to 9. What's the question? 7th term, that means t7 equal to question mark. Okay, since we need to find T7 R value. What's the value of R? R value is 1 less than the required value, right? R value equal to 6. We have the formula TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. What's the question? T7. T7 means T 6 plus 1, right? In place of r, you will find 6. Substitute. N value, what is n? Index 9. C, what is r? R is 6. 9c 6 into x to the power. What is x? Here x, x cube to the power n minus r. N is 9 minus r value equal to, here you can find 6. Okay, into a. A value is minus 1 by x to the power r. What is r? R equal to 6. Okay, now see, T7 is equal to 9c6 into x cube to the power how much? 9 minus 6, 3 into minus 1 by x to the power 6 is 1 by x to the power 6. Why? Minus 1 to the power 6 equal to plus 1. Whenever minus 1 to the power is an even number, then that value is plus 1. Okay, then simplify. T7 equal to 9c6 into x to the power 9, right? X to the power 3 to the power 3, x to the power m to the power n equal to x to the power mn. So x to the power 9 into 1 by x to the power 6. Again simplify. T7 equal to 9c6 into, here see numerator 9 times x is there, that is x to the power 9. Denominator 6 times x is there. Okay, if you simplify this one, in the numerator x cube is remaining. So answer is T7 equal to 9c6 into x to the power 3. Okay, see the second question. Find the eighth term in the expansion of 2x square minus 3 by x to the power 12. Okay, first consider the expansion 2x square minus 3 by x to the power 12. In this expansion, what is x? X means first term, that is 2x square. What is a? A means second term, that is minus 3 by x. Index n, n equal to 12. Okay, then here see question is eighth term, that means T8 equal to question mark. Since we need to find T8, what is R value? R value is 1 less than the required value. Here R value equal to 7 you need to take. Okay, then write the formula. It's very important. While solving the formula, while solving the problem, you need to write the formula of TR plus 1. So TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. Then question is T8. You need to write T8 in terms of TR plus 1. That is T7 plus 1. Now you can see, right? In place of R, you will find 7 equal to N. N value is equal to 12. C, R value equal to 8. R value equal to 7 into x. X is 2x square to the power n minus r, that is 12 minus 7 into a value is minus 3 by x to the power r. R value is 7. Okay, in the next step, see, T8 equal to 12c7 into 2x square to the power 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 equal to 5 into minus 3 by x to the power 7. Okay, now see, T8 is equal to 12c7 into 2x square to the power 5 is there. You can write it as 2 to the power 5 into x to the power 10. Why? AB to the power n equal to a to the power n into b to the power n. So 2x square to the power 5 is equal to 2 to the power 5 into x square to the power 5. If you simplify this one, you'll get 2 to the power 5 into x to the power 2 5 is a 10. Okay, into here you can write it as minus 1 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 7 into 1 by x to the power 7. Okay, in the next step, see, it's equal to T8 equal to minus 1 to the power odd number is minus 12C7 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 7 into, see, x to the power 10 divided by x to the power 7. Okay, x to the power 10 into 1 by x to the power 7 is there. X cube is remaining in the numerator. Okay, 10 times x divided by 7 times x, 3 times x is remaining, that is x cube. Okay, so remaining term is x cube. Okay, this step clear. See here, minus 3 by x to the power 7 is there. You can write it as minus 1 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 7 into 1 by x to the power 7. Okay, because see, if you multiply again, you will get the same answer. Okay, so this is the answer for the given question. See the next question. Find the 12th term in the expansion of 3x plus 2 by root x to the power 18. Okay, first consider the given question. 3x plus 2 by root x to the power 18 is there. Okay, in this x value equal to the first term 3x, a value equal to the second term 2 by root x, and n value, index n value equal to 18. Okay, now question is 12th term, T12 you need to find. Okay, then since we need to find T12, that is 12th term, what is R value? R value is 1 less than the required value. R value equal to 11. Okay, now write the formula. TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. Question is T12. T12 can be written as T11 plus 1. Why? Because you need to write it in the form TR plus 1. So to get 12th term, R value must be 11. Okay, so T11 plus 1 equal to NCR, N value 18, C, R value is 11. Okay, 18C11 into X, X is 3X to the power N minus R. It means 18 minus 11 into A value is 2 by root X to the power R value equal to 11. Okay, now see, T12 equal to 18C11 into 3x to the power 18 minus 11. 18 minus 11 equal to 7 into 2 by root x to the power 11. Okay, so you can write it as 2 by root x to the power 11. Okay, in the next step, see, this implies T12 equal to 18C11 into 3x to the power 7 can be written as 3 to the power 7 into x to the power 7 into 2 by root x to the power 11 can be written as 2 to the power 11 into 1 by root x to the power 11. Why? A by b to the power n equal to a to the power n by b to the power n. Similarly, 2 by root x to the power 11 can be written as 2 to the power 11 divided by root x, 1 by root x. Root x in the denominator, right? So 1 by root x to the power 11. In the next step, see, T12 equal to 18C11 into 3 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 11 into x to the power 7 into 1 by, what is root x? Root x is 1 by x to the power 2. Okay, to the power 11. Okay, in the next step, see, T12 equal to 18C11 into 3 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 11 into x to the power 7 into x to the power, see, x to the power into 1 by x to the power 11 by 2. Okay, just multiplying the powers. Again it's possible to simplify. T12 equal to 18c11 into 3 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 11 into x to the power 7 into, see, x to the power 1 by x to the power 11 by 12 is there. You can write it as x to the power minus 11 by 2. Why? 1 by a to the power m equal to a to the power minus m. Okay, in the next step, see, T12 equal to 18c11 into 3 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 11 into x to the power, simplify this one, 7 minus 11 by 2. Okay, then it's equal to T12 equal to 18c11 into 3 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 11 into x to the power 14 minus 11, that is 3 divided by 2. Why here x to the power 7 minus 11 by 2? Because a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. Okay, x to the power 7 into x to the power minus 11 by 2 is x to the power 7 minus 11 by 2. Then take LCM, it has 2. 2 sevens are 14 minus 11, that is 3 by 2. This is the solution for the given question. See the next question. Find the sixth term in the expansion of root x minus root y to the power 17. Okay, consider the expansion root x minus root y to the power 17. Here x value, that is first term, that is root x. We know root x can be written as x to the power 1 by 2. Second term a value is equal to minus root y. We know this can be written as minus y to the power 1 by 2. Okay, and index n equal to 17. What's the question? Sixth term t6 equal to question mark. Then since we need to find t6, what is r value? R value is 1 less than the required value. So r value is equal to 5. Okay, now write the formula. Tr plus 1 equal to ncr into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. Then T6 you need to find. So T6 equal to, how to write T6 in the form of Tr plus 1? T5 plus 1. Okay, now we can see, right? R value is equal to 5. NCR, N value is equal to 17. C index R value, and R value is equal to 5 into X. X value is x to the power 1 by 2 to the power n minus r, that is 17 minus 5 into a value is equal to minus y to the power 1 by 2 to the power r value equal to 5. Okay, in the next step simplify. T6 equal to 17c5 into x to the power 1 by 2 to the power 17 minus 5, it's equal to 12 into minus y to the power 1 by 2 to the power 5. Then T6 equal to, see, 17c5 into x to the power 12 by 2 into minus 1 to the power 5 into y to the power 1 by 2 to the power 5. Okay, simplify this one. T6 equal to 17c5 into x to the power 6 into minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 1. So here you will get minus. Okay, then y to the power 5 by 2. Okay, this is the solution for the given question. See the next question. Find the 11th term in the expansion of x plus 1 by root x to the power 14. Okay, here consider the expansion x plus 1 by root x to the power 14. X, that is the first term, equal to x itself. A, second term, 1 by root x. It is equal to, how to write 1 by root x? 1 by x to the power 1 by 2. You can write it as x to the power minus 1 by 2y. 1 by a to the power m equal to a to the power minus m. And index n equal to 14. Here you can see power index n is 14. Question is T11 equal to question mark. Since we need to find T11, what is R value? R value is 1 less than the required value. R value equal to 10. Okay. In the next step, see, write the formula TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. Question is 11th term. How to write 11th term in the form of TR plus 1? T11 equal to T10 plus 1. Now we can see, right? R value equal to 10 equal to NCR. N value is 14C. R value equal to 10 into X. X is X itself in this problem. N minus R, that is 14 minus 10 into A. A here you can see, right? X to the power minus 1 by 2 to the power R. R value is 10. Okay. In the next step, see, T11 equal to 14C10 into x to the power 14 minus 10 is 4 into x to the power minus 1 into 10 is minus 10 by 2. Then T11 equal to 14C10 into x to the power 4 into x to the power minus 5. This implies T11 equal to 14C10 into x to the power 4 into, how to write x to the power minus 5? You can write it as 1 by x to the power 5. Why? Since a to the power minus m equal to 1 by a to the power m. So x to the power minus 5 can write it as 1 by x to the power 5. Okay, you studied that in indices chapter. Okay, now T11 equal to 14C10 into x to the power 4 by x to the power 5. 1 x is remaining in the denominator. Okay, 4 times x divided by 5 times x, 1 x is remaining in the denominator. So answer is T11 equal to 14C10 into 1 by x. See the next question. Find A if 17th and 18th terms of the expansion of 2 plus a to the power 50 are equal. Okay, you need to find a where 17th and 18th term of the expansion 2 plus a to the power 50 are equal. Consider the expansion 2 plus a to the power 50. What is the first term x? That is 2. What is the second term a? It's equal to a itself. Index n, its value equal to 50. Okay. Now we have the formula TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. Okay. Now see 17th term. Okay. T17th equal to, how to write it in the r plus 1 form? T16 plus 1, right? For 17th term T17th, we know r value equal to 16, and for T18 we know r value equal to 17. R value is always 1 less than the required value. So T17 equal to T16 plus 1 equal to NCR. N value is 50. C, R value equal to here 16. Okay, into x, that is 2 to the power n minus r, that is 50 minus 16, into a value is equal to a itself, a to the power r value, that is equal to 16. It's a T17 term, or you can simplify this as T17 equal to 50C16 into T2 to the power 50 minus 16 is there. Okay, 2 to the power 50 minus 16, you will get 2 to the power 34 into a to the power 16. Okay, take it as equation 1. Then T18 equal to T17 plus and T18 equal to T17 plus 1. Okay, it's equal to, again apply the formula NCR, that is 50C R value. We know, right? For 18th term R value equal to 17 into 2 to the power n minus r, that is 50 minus 17 into a to the power r, that is a to the power 17. If you simplify this one, you will get T18 equal to 50C17 into 2 to the power 50 minus 17, that is 2 to the power 33 into a to the power 17. Take it as equation 2. Okay, next see the given data. What's the given data? Given that T17 equal to T18. What is T17? T17 we calculated, that is 50C16 into 2 to the power 34 into a to the power 16 equal to T18. T18 is 50C17 into 2 to the power 33 into a to the power 17. Then question is find a, right? See, question is find a. Okay, now rearrange this equation. See, you can write it as 50C16 into 2 to the power 34. Okay, take these two terms to LHS, you will get divided by 50C17 into 2 to the power 33. Okay, equal to take a to the power 16 to the right hand side. You will get a to the power 17 divided by a to the power 16. That time you can get a easily. Okay, clear? Rearrange the equation such that somehow you need to get a in the LHS or RHS. So keeping these two terms in the LHS, take these two terms to the RHS. Take these two terms to the LHS and shift a to the power 16 to RHS. That time we'll get 50C16 into 2 to the power 34 by 50C17 into 2 to the power 33 whole term equal to a to the power 17 by a to the power 16. Now see, 2 to the power 34 by 2 to the power 33. Numerator 1, 2 is remaining into 50C16. Apply NCR formula. We know NCR equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay, apply the formula. It's equal to 50 factorial divided by 50 minus 16 factorial into 16 factorial whole term divided by, okay, 50C17, that is 50 factorial divided by 50 minus 17 factorial into 17 factorial, okay, equal to a to the power 17 by a to the power 16 equal to a. Why this 2 is in outside? That is obtained by cancelling 2 to the power 34 by 2 to the power 33. 2 to the power 34 by 2 to the power 2 to the power 34 by 2 to the power 33, 1 2 is remaining. Take that 2 outside. Then for 50C16 apply the formula, NCR formula, that is 50 factorial by 50 minus 16 factorial into 16 factorial divided by, for 50C17 also apply NCR formula, 50 factorial by 50 minus 17 factorial into 17 factorial. Right hand side 17 times a divided by 16 times a, 1 a is remaining in the numerator. Now again simplify. It is equal to, see, 2 into, simplify the term in the bracket, you will get 50 factorial divided by 50 minus 16 factorial. 50 minus 16, that is 34 factorial into 16 factorial divided by, okay, whole term is divided by 50 factorial divided by 50 minus 17, that is 33 factorial into 17 factorial. Okay, equal to right hand side here. So it is 2 into, see, 50 factorial get cancels, right? Now see, this term moves to numerator. So you'll get 33 factorial into 17 factorial divided by 34 factorial into 16 factorial equal to a. Then we know 2 into 33 factorial into 17 factorial can be written as 17 into 16 factorial. Why? N factorial equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, so 17 factorial can be written as 17 into 16 factorial divided by 34 factorial. 34 factorial can be written as 34 into 33 factorial into 16 factorial equal to a. Now see, 33 factorial, 33 factorial, 16 factorial, 16 factorial get cancels, and again see 17 ones are 17, 2s are 34, 2 2 again get cancels. All term get cancels. A value equal to 1. A value is not equal to 0. A value equal to 1. Okay, A by A form. A by A equal to 1 itself. Okay, all term get cancels means 1 by 1 form. 1 by 1 equal to 1 itself. Therefore, A value equal to 1. These are all some important questions related to general term of a binomial expansion. In the next session, we'll see middle term of the binomial expansion. Thank you, students.